Hi team, I am stealing with pride Kurt YouTuber style. Thank you Kurt. I want to share with you today regarding SNOP and the collab meeting, and I figured out that a video will do a better job than another email or a 1 hour call. If there is something that you do not understand, feel free to shoot me a note or to call me 312-550-9531. I'd like to share with you 3 things today. First, what is SNOP? Second, why is it a critical process for our organization? And third, how can we positively contribute to this process through the collab meeting? So let's get started with what is SNOP. And do not worry, I'm not an expert, so I'm going to explain it simply with you. SNOP means sales and operation. It is a collaborative process performed on a monthly basis, committing on a valorized plan and based on a single set of numbers. Alignment is critical in this process. So this is a beautiful definition, but what you need to keep in mind, it is simply a 5-step process. And within this process, the step number 2 is the most important for the sales organization. But let's get started with the step number 1. Step number 1 drives the growth, led by marketing. In this step, the marketing identified and also reviews all growth opportunity in order to achieve or to over-deliver our budget. Obviously, all this information and all this growth opportunity will fuel the sales organization. Step number 2, demand planning, led by sales. We commit on a volume and action plan in order to deliver ambitious growth. And the collab meeting and the collab process is a critical part of the step 2, the demand plan. All the information from our collab meeting are really gathered and shared during a monthly 2 hours demand meeting. Step number 3, the supply planning. We are aligned in the volume, step number 2, and then the supply team is going to use this volume call to produce accordingly. Step number 4, led by finance and the supply team. We call that the integrated reconciliation. The two teams, they take the information from step 1, 2 and 3 and they transform all this volume information into a valorized plan. For the step 5, the final step, the SNOP meeting is led by the general manager. He will support or he will challenge a key recommendation to ensure our company deliver on its target. You need also to understand that our organization just started to implement this new SNOP process. Time to understand why SNOP is a critical process and especially why the demand planning is a critical step. During the demand meeting, our company will commit on a volume number, and if this number is not accurate, it will have a lot of impacts. Too low or too high, if we send the wrong volume signal, our company won't be able to make the right decision for our business. How can we positively contribute to this process together? Through the collab meeting, our monthly call, and our insight. Clearly, the collab process is not totally fleshed out. I give you that. So please refer to the one-pager I already sent you. Now, what you need to keep in mind is this process you have 2 steps. 1, preparation. Second step, the meeting. For the preparation, you receive the GDA data every Tuesday through the collab file sent by Teresa. And Teresa optimized the collab file just for you. So big thank you Teresa for your help on this topic. You will now find 2 additional tabs in the collab file for you to enter your annual call, your monthly calls, and your comment and reason to believe. You will see it's straightforward to populate the file, and if you have any question, shoot me a note or call me. I will be really and more than happy to go through it with you. 2 advantages really to populate this file. 1, if for any reason you are short in time during your collab meeting, let's be honest, it never happens and it will never happen. But if it happens, you can send this file with all your calls, all your comments to the demand team and they will be able to implement your call. The second advantage, we are already populating once a month our call into the vault. So basically just copy paste your call and your comment from this file into the vault. Now you are ready for the collab meeting. You have in front of you your call and your comment. What should you do during the collab meeting? You drive the discussion, you take charge. Share your calls and comments, but also share and help the team to understand what is important for your business and where the team should focus on. 75% of your business is delivered by Mini Babybel, Keontae Jackson, Minnesota. Focus your time on Mini Babybel. The RSM drives the discussion, helped by a strong preparation. He shares full year volume call and insight, and also monthly gating optimization. Obviously, it takes also into account demands and categories input. The demand team documents the meeting. Action item, RSM call, reason to believe, change versus private cycle. We didn't properly document in the past, and therefore we are asked the same question, or we talk about the same topic again and again, and it's not efficient. The demand team documents your information in the new PowerPoint. And the CSP team, they provide the broader brand perspective, and they gather also information for the demand meeting. Yes, the team has currently a lot of questions. It's a fair point, but keep in mind it will evolve with time. Keep in mind also it's a new process for them. They ask a lot of questions in order to properly represent your business during the demand meeting. So help them by highlighting the key points regarding your business. If you think also that you are challenged on a non-relevant point, tell them. At the end of this meeting, everybody should be aligned on 3 points. One single set of numbers, key reason to believe, and key action to implement for the next meeting. That's it. And you will see, with time, it will become a piece of cake. I'd like now to conclude this video by sharing with you 6 tips. 3 tips about the preparation, 3 tips about the meeting. So let's get started with the preparation. First tip, assume nothing. Check everything before the collab meeting. Go in depth and be granular. Document all your information into the collab file. Second tip, use additional source of data to confirm your assumption. Check WDD to understand where you will land this month. It might have an influence for the next coming months. Check also your Nielsen data, short term and long term. You can also check your SPW in Excel. And third tip for the preparation, be confident with your call. We are not wizards. We will never be able to call the right number on every line month after month. If you have strong hypothesis, you will be confident with your call. And yes, you might be wrong on a call, you might be off at some point. The most important is to understand why you were off and to learn for the next time. 3 tips now regarding the meeting. I told you already, tip number 1, take charge and drive. Keep in mind that nobody in this meeting knows your business better than you. So take charge. Tip number 2, focus. Prioritize on the biggest part of your business and highlight on the key learnings. The preparations should be granular, but during the meeting, it's now time and your responsibility to guide the team towards your main learnings and your main action that you want to implement. And third tip for the meeting, follow the same analytical process and be rigorous. Start at the bigger picture, total retailer. Is there any new key information or change versus last month that you want to share with the team? Then move at the brand level. Talk about your year to date and your year to go. Share your call. Move at the sub-brand level. Share your year to date, your year to go, and your call. And then you can move into the monthly gating and make some refinement month by month. Move into 2020. That's it. I hope it will help you. Do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, suggestions. Keep in mind also we all manage different businesses, and all these businesses, they have their specificity. I'm just providing a direction but you are the one knowing what is right for the business. Thank you for your time. Do not forget to like and subscribe for this video. Sorry, I forgot, I still didn't create my S&OP YouTube channel, but it might come. Thank you again for your time and have great sales, guys. Bye!